Good morning! Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. And for those new to my channel is called Solid. So good morning mga ka-Solid. Yeah, it's another vlogging day. And I am recording here from Mandaue City. Yes! Okay. So, kasi wala akong masyadong maisip na topic, so I actually just came to this topic now. Why not? Okay, just give a very comprehensive review on my motorcycle. Yes, I'm currently riding Yamaha MIO Soul 125S, the one with stop start system. Yes, yeah, the stop start system. So actually, this is my first automatic scooter. I used to have ano ba yan? Yung Suzuki Shooter. Yeah, yung Suzuki Shooter is 115cc, and it has I think around 24,000 miles before, no, kilometers. Yes, bago ko napalitan. Actually sold it to my friend. Yes, and so far sabi niya maganda rin naman. So anyway, hindi naman yun yung topic ng video natin ngayon. It is actually the bike or the scooter that I'm currently riding. Okay. First, bakit ko ba siya pinili? Okay. To cut the story short, I actually chose this one para sa negosyo. Kasi may footboard. Tapos our business back then was for like small food business actually. So pag may grocery or pag may mga binili, I needed to put it there. Then yun, nagustuhan ko naman. Then actually I am loving it actually. Wala naman ako masyadong masamang masasabi dito. But okay, to begin my review, let's start with my intro. Pasok! Okay, yeah. Wow. Again, for those new to my channel, welcome. Please don't forget to like and subscribe or click that very cute button there for new updates on motorcycle related topics. Okay. Right, so first thing, looks. Okay. I will be flashing the picture of my motorbike kasi it's due for some cleaning so I will just show it to you when it's already cleaned. Yes, so the looks itself is really nice. Actually I prefer that and Max over this one when it comes to looks, but since wala akong masyadong budget, yeah, it is much cheaper actually at around 85,000 pesos in other dealers, but I got this in a Yamaha 3S shop in Tabuk, Mandaue City, and it only cost me around 80,000 pesos for this model. And it was cash, yes, but I think if not cash it will be around 83,000 pesos, so medyo mahal. Anyway, yes, actually the price, yes, as what I have said, it's around 83,000 pesos pag how to say 3 years installment, I think, or any year installment. But I bought it cash, so nakuha ko siya ng around 80,000 pesos. So yun, price pa lang comparing to other scooter, yeah, mas mura na. Looks, yes, nandun na. Power, yeah, I'll be posting the specs, everything, so you can check the specifications of this motorbike. Yeah. Okay. So that's the first about price. How about fuel consumption? This is an honest review. Actually, nag 1 year and 4 months na siya ngayon, actually, sa akin. And I actually have it daily driven from Consolacion to uh, Cebu City for work. So I can't really say how much is it per liter or per kilometer. Basically, they say it's around 45 per 45 kilometers per liter. In my case, just to give you a rough estimate, from zero, and I have a lot around 2 liters. SM Consolacion to Cebu City, that amount is only around 3 days. Yes, 3 days. So, hindi na masama. Kasi I normally travel around 4, no, 15, yeah, 15 kilometers one way. Yes, and then back with side trips around 3 days. Yes. So for gas consumption, then ano na ba napalitan ko? Again, I will show to you later some of the videos na, you know, I mean not video but pictures ng mga na-upgrade or nailagay ko na dito sa motor na to. These are not performance upgrades, okay? All stock pa rin tong baby motor natin. So actually I just have the tires changed from stock to not Michelin, Maxxis green Devil. Front is 90/80, then rear is 100/80. Yeah, tubeless type kasi ayokong ma-hassle sa daan kapag may puncture. And I added some rim decals. Yun lang. Wala akong nilagay. Ito, phone holder. Hindi naman yan masyadong mahal. Kasi back then, I used to be a, Grab the food driver. So, like, my story was in my other video. So, yun. Just check on it. I'll put the link down below if gusto nyo malaman. Okay. So, yeah, tapos na tayo sa price, sa power. No, not yet. Sa gas consumption. Let's go to power. So, yeah, based on the spec sheets, the power is, I'm not familiar. I'll just put it there. But, for me, hindi naman siya masyadong weak pag dating sa arangkada. Actually, may power siya. It's not that totally stock talaga. I don't know why, but I think dun sa yun yung difference niya sa MIO I 125. So yun. But I'm actually planning to change the panggilid. So I will be posting a video about that next time. Yes. Pag medyo nakaluwag-luwag na sa oras. And top speed ko dito wag na lang. Hindi ko naman kasi ako masyado anyway, top speed is around 100. Kasi I'm always with my OBR, tapos may handbrake sa likod pag umabot na ng 100. Yun, top speed. And actually tumangtuwa na ako doon 100. Kasi sabi ng iba, umaabot daw to ng mga 110, 115. But I've never tried it. So, yun. Top speed. I think, pang-apat is yung upgrade. Tapos pala yung upgrade. Yung ano niya, maintenance. Yeah, very important. So, ano ba ang mga dapat nating tandaan sa maintenance ng ating motor? Okay, first is engine oil. Okay, yes. Wow. Okay. First is engine oil. I change mine every 2,000 kilometers or every 2 months. Kung hindi naman masyadong laspag. Pero pag naglo-long ride kami, yes, I change it every month. Yeah, or immediately after the long ride. Second is yung brand na ginagamit ko. I'm actually using the Yamaha Blue Core. Yeah, Yamaha Blue Core yung bago ngayon. Kasi I tried Motul, masyadong mahal para sa budget. But I think Yamaha built this, based on the Blue Core in mind. So I think Blue Core oil is just solid. Second is gear oil. I also pair that with my engine oil. So every time I have a change engine oil, I also go for the change of gear oil. Yes, kahit na sabi nila pwede pa daw yun kahit na ano, like 2,000, 5,000 kilometers, but I usually change it frequently. Then ano pa? Yes. Yung spark plug, yun for ano na yun, for 12,000, every 12,000 kilometers, spark plug, FI, injectors, RPM, ano pa ba? Okay, yung valve, yung engine valve, so, ano ba yun? Yeah, yung mga valves niya. So, yun yung ano, parang overhaul up to 1,000 kilometers. Yun. So, di masyadong maggastos sa maintenance. So, yun yung gusto ko rin sa kanya. Kasi yung motor ko before, it has oil, it has sprocket, it has chains, engine oil filter. So, yun, maraming binibili. Yeah, another thing is air filter pala. So, I change my air filter every 10,000 kilometers. So, nasa akin naman yun. It's just my own preference. Then, ano pa ba yung mga na napalitan ko dito? When it comes to maintenance. Actually, common issue niya is yung tensioner, right? Cam chain tensioner. So, yung sa akin kasi may naputol yung spring niya. So, I had it rewinded sa isang shop. Buti nga naman kasi I was at work and talagang parang may kumakalabog sa inside ng, kala ko nga flyball yun yung wasak yung drive plate niya or ewan ko ba. Pagtingin namin, okay naman, okay pa yung belt, okay pa yung pulley, okay pa lahat. But then when we check the tensioner, oh my god, putol, hindi na siya bumabalik sa kanyang, how to say, parang pag takbo mo, I'm no expert kasi, so in simple, in layman terms, parang pag takbo mag-depress siya para hindi masyadong tumatama yung yung chain sa parang sa case. So yun. Back to what I said a while ago. Yes, actually may ginawa tayo kasi yun, naputol yung video kanina, nagbayad ng bill si kuya. Okay, anyway, back to the review of this motorcycle. So I want to recap what I have just said in this video. So number one, what I like about this is its price. For the looks, it's good. and for a discount, it's also good. Yeah, hindi masyadong mahal. Second is fuel consumption. Um, Considering na medyo mabigat ang motor na to, and medyo ah, mabigat din tayo. So around 3 days yung 100 pesos natin from Consolacion to Cebu City, um, the center. So kasi malapit sa Colon yung workplace natin eh. So yun, but it's really good because considering the traffic of Cebu, my weight and the weight of this motorbike, yes, okay, that's fine. And third is maintenance. So yeah, I would really recommend yung Blue Core kasi yung 300, yung 100 na 3 days hindi mangyayari yun pag hindi Blue Core. Kasi based on experience, I did not mention but I already tried Motul, but para sa akin di naman siya gaano ka fuel efficient para sa akin lang ha. Huwag kayong magagalit. Yes, yung mga die-hard Motul users. I also tried the others, but yes, the same effect, the same results, like Castrol or something. So yun lang. Para sa akin, mas effective yung Blue Core ng Yamaha. So I choose that for my oil. Maintenance-wise, it's relatively cheap, around 300-400, including oil, gear oil, and labor. Pag kasamang air filter na papalitan, around 500. Kung overhaul naman, yes, around 1,000 for that. It includes the spark plugs, the valve clearance, FI cleaning, yan, marami na lahat. So sulit na. And for other maintenance issues like yung chain tensioner, yes, yun dapat you should watch out for it. And also the bearing, the one I showed, that small hole there, it will really make a difference pag nabasa yun or napasukan ng tubig baha. Yun, dapat talaga yun i-check agad araw-araw. Then I like what I have previously said, I did not really change a lot in this motorbike. So purely stock, all engine parts stock, just the wheels and some mags stickers, that's all, and this phone holder. Then I use it every day. So far wala, di naman ako binigo. Sobrang power nito. I tried it already for the southern loop. Unfortunately I don't have video for that, but anyway, sobrang dependable kahit na air cooled lang siya at hindi water cooled, iba ng MIO Aerox at NMAX. Anyway, that's all for this vlog. I hope you have learned many things about my motorcycle. So if you want to ask me more, you can message me on my Facebook page, or you can just write down your comments. I'll be very willing to reply to all of them. So don't forget to subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and if you want to know more, you can check the other video that will be following next. So have a blessed Sunday, everybody. Ride safe.